Hello, my alien friends. It's Toody, your favorite extraterrestrial explorer, back with another exciting discovery from this incredible planet called Earth. Today, we're going to explore something truly fascinating, the amazing world of migratory birds. So, what exactly are migratory birds? Migratory birds are species that travel long distances between their breeding and wintering grounds. These incredible creatures undertake epic journeys across continents, navigating through harsh weather, vast oceans, and challenging terrains. But why do they do it? Migration is driven by the need to find food, favourable climates, and safe breeding sites. As seasons change, the availability of food and suitable habitats also changes, prompting these birds to embark on their long journeys. The journey of migration is nothing short of extraordinary. Some birds, like the Arctic tern, travel more than 70,000 kilometres each year. That's like flying around this planet nearly twice. But how do they find their way? Migratory birds use a combination of environmental cues, such as the Earth's magnetic field, the position of the sun, and even the stars to guide them on their journeys. It's like they have their very own GPS built right into their brains. Let's take a closer look at some famous migratory birds. Swallows are known for their long-distance flights from Europe to Africa. Geese, with their iconic V-shaped formations, migrate between the Arctic and warmer regions in North America and Europe. And did you know, even the Monarch Butterfly, though not a bird, has a migration that is just as impressive. They travel thousands of kilometers from North America to central Mexico. But these journeys are not without challenges. Migratory birds face numerous threats, including extreme weather conditions, predators, and even human-made obstacles like tall buildings and wind turbines. Unfortunately, habitat loss due to deforestation, urbanization, and climate change is making it harder for these birds to complete their migrations. Many species are in decline, and their future depends on conservation efforts. That's all for today, my alien friends. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the incredible journeys of migratory birds. I'll be back soon with more exciting discoveries from Earth. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.